Hey, welcome to Foster Comedy Presents a bunch of crazy stuff. Everything from health and wellness to random weirdness. I'm your host, Foster Rhodes, and if you hate exercising as much as I do, but still want fun and creative ways to stay fit and active, then stick around. Number one, do things you enjoy. If you already have an active activity in your life, just do more of that thing. If it's dancing, do more dancing. If it's fighting, do more fighting. And bring friends in on it. Do like a group activity. Make it fun and make it active. And have people that will hold you accountable. So it's great to do things with friends. So if you have an activity that you already enjoy doing, then just do more of it and document that process. Find ways to also do it in your own environment, whether it is dancing or you could just do shadow boxing. Just find ways to do more of the thing that you already love and enjoy doing. Number two, start something new. Do something that you've always wanted to do and never actually went forth and did it. Make a list of all of those things, whether it's doing handstands or backflips or rock climbing. Just make a list and do those things. It's not impossible. It's within your reach. And it's also not as crazy expensive as you might think. There's always going to be a way to make it affordable for you to do these activities that you've aspired on doing. And there's also always going to be a step that you can do before actually doing that activity. So start small and grow into what it is that you want to do. You can even practice these things in a park at your home. There are activities that you can do within your own home that will build up to you being able to do these things. Don't be afraid to fail, because everybody sucks in the beginning of something, and that's totally okay. Embrace the failure, embrace the struggle, and accept that it's gonna suck for a while. Everything is gonna take time, it's gonna be practice, and embrace the suck, embrace the enjoyment of learning something new, and go forth and do that thing. Do the thing. Number three, insert fitness into activities that you're already doing. If there's something that you're doing that you already love doing, keep doing that thing, but plus fitness. And what I mean by that is that if you're playing video games, if you're binge watching Netflix, just insert fitness into those activities. And you can do that by doing ab exercises while you're binge watching your favorite shows. Do your ab series while you're watching your series. You're doing your story crunches now? You can do that. If you're an avid game player, make it a game about putting fitness into your gameplay. And by that, you can just stand up while you're playing video games. Or give yourself a timer where you'll sit down for 10 minutes, then you'll stand for 10 minutes. And then you can build upon that. Or you can even do active exercises while you're also playing. You could try balancing on one leg. You could try doing your lunges. You could try just like holding a forearm plank. There's always going to be a next step that you can go up the chain when you start adding fitness into your life. So start small and then grow big. You can even make it so that every single time you die, you have to do 10 push-ups or 10 jumping jacks or squats or lunges or any kind of rep-based workout, or even just holding a plank. It's that simple. Make a game out of your fitness and document it so that way you know when you can build. So start small and then build. Build. And number four, this is probably the most important one. Love your body. Love who you are right now. Because no one else is going to do that for you. Everyone has body image issues. Everyone. Even Instagram models. There's going to be something about your body that you're always going to be wanting to improve on. And that is okay. But loving who you are right now is probably the most important part about building any kind of fitness regime. Change the way you talk about your body. Be grateful for the fact that you have one and that it works, and only for a limited time. Be like, thank you hands, thank you feet, thank you head for keeping me on beat. What? Do it. Just do whatever it takes to increase the positivity that you have towards your body and who you are. Be grateful for every single little part of it. Number five, establish your why and record your results. Record the process of going through and becoming a healthier version of yourself. and establish why you want to be doing this in the first place. Whatever it is, establish that why and revisit it. And also let it evolve through time. Maybe your perspective on becoming healthier, becoming fit will change throughout time. But record how you're thinking, how you're feeling, and also what you're doing so that you know how to grow on top of that. Growing, building, building. Man, I got sweaty armpits. It's not even that hot in here. Now I challenge you for 90 days to implement these strategies into your life. That's it, 90 days, 3 months, easy peasy. Just once a day, finding one of these activities that you can do, schedule it out into your calendar. Block out this time that you actually just focus on your fitness and finding fun in it. Make sure that it's something that you enjoy doing and it's not going to be the biggest struggle or the biggest hassle in your life. And set up your world around doing this thing. Whether it's just putting all your active stuff out the day before so that you're more prone to go for it. These are all just habit building strategies that you can do. But whatever your habit building strategy is, stick with it, commit to it, find somebody that's going to hold you accountable for it. And why 90 days? Well, research says that it takes a little bit over 2 months to build a new habit. But that's just an average. There have been studies shown where people take anywhere from 18 days to 254. So I'm just asking you for 90 days of your life, one season of the year, to commit to doing something for you, because that season could change the rest of your life. Let me know in the comments below if you found these strategies helpful, how you would implement them into your life, or some other activities that you would like to insert fitness in, and maybe some questions of how you could do that. If you want me to do like a little fitness video of things that you can do while you're gaming or while you're watching Netflix, I could do like a little ab series video. Just let me know in the comments below so that way I know who and how to make it for, and I will design it especially for you. So if you are looking to take a bunch of different classes and you're not really quite sure what it is that you want to start doing, I'd recommend Classpass. I've been doing that for the past few months and I absolutely love it. I've started taking kickboxing classes, pole dance classes, gymnastics, and I get to experiment and take classes all around the city for a relatively low price. If you want a discount on that, I will have a link in the description below. It's great to even just try it out for a few weeks. So that being said, I hope that this helps to jumpstart your fitness journey. Find ways to implement fitness into your life. Realize that you can afford it and you do have the time for it. Whether that means maybe cutting back on some other things in your life that maybe aren't serving you in the way that you want them to right now. Look at what is working and look at what's not working and find ways to implement fitness into your life. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to reach out to me personally, come find me on Instagram at Foster Comedy. Go forth. Ba-ba-ba-ba-ba.